True love, I can't wait for you, love. And I'm on the move, love. True love, I thought it was you, love. What you wanna do, love? I can't wait for you, love. You was my boo, love, but I'm on the move, love. I thought it was true love. I can't wait for you, love.
She was born in the same city as me. Man, her uncle was a stepper, so she knew on the streets. Was young when we started out. Neither of us chasing clout. We had big dreams. My results wasn't panning out. Our love was true. I'm talking energy great. But shit starts to change when she turned 28. And I'm outside, pressure's forcing our love to crack. Man, how the fuck you gon' do me like that? And I hopped on my marathon like Nip, and I never looked back. Gained everything you saying I lacked. I'm talking big Range Rover, Mercedes, Benz, confidence don't lack. Mind, heart, body, soul intact. They wanna choose me, but I'm not an option. I'm not concerned with they trending topic. I'm thinking investments, residuals, and stock options. I'm talking.
You get 15% off at Fogo if you live in here. That's it. Well, we outside in the front. Some got us walking through the whole motherfucking complex. Yeah, while you talking? No, you want the Nema so bad. I love the Nema. No, you don't get the Nema. We're trying to find a restaurant.
Which restaurant are you looking for?
What's it called?
It's literally right, if you step out this door, it's directly to the left.
Okay, thank you. Might come back and get a tour, really? For real? For real? Mama, she don't know we got some. We might slide in there. It's a nice little low-key location, too. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, brother. Damn, son, you aggressive. People outside. I can put people outside. Yo. Yeah.
I thought it was true love. I can't wait for you, love.
She was born in the same city as me. Man, her uncle was a stepper, so she knew on the streets. Was young when we started out. Neither of us chasing clout. We had big dreams. My results wasn't panning out. Our love was true. I'm talking energy great. But shit starts to change when she turned 28. And I'm outside, pressure's forcing our love to crack. Man, how the fuck you gon' do it?
Okay, what's the case here? Just get like a big party come, we don't want to take their table, you feel? I need y'all in close proximity with the guys. Thank you.
No problem, we'll be right with you guys.
Okay. Biggest table, G. Slim want to sit at that table. See 10 people, it's 3 of us. Taking somebody come.
They got a lot of spots in this.
They might, man. You never know. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's in this menu real quick.
That's how you say it, right?
Saturday. Sheesh.
Heart, body, soul intact. They wanna choose me, but I'm not an option. I'm not concerned with they trending topic. I'm thinking investments, residuals, and stock options. I'm talking equity and color blocking. Show you portfolios, you think I'm flogging. That 42 used to have us bent. We watching Mario episodes of the game, talking shit. Out in LA, that nasty thing with your lips. A couple memories I'll never forget. Tell the truth, I still pray for you at times when you cross my mind, hoping that your mama and them kids are fine. It's still me despite all this time. I swear to God, it's still love. You can hit my line. It's Chuck.
True love, I thought it was you, love. What you wanna do, love? I can't wait for you.